So, good morning, Sanskarian. Today, we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is taken from your chapter number 2. And what is the name of the topic? Nitrogen cycle. This nitrogen cycle is very important topic, students. So, today first I will tell what do you mean by the nitrogen cycle. ये जो नाइट्रोजन साइकिल है एक्चुअली वो होता क्या है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एलिमेंट। इट इज द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एलिमेंट थ्रू लिविंग थिंग्स सच एज प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स सच एज एयर, सोइल, वाटर. So this circulation of nitrogen element through living things and non-living things to environment is called nitrogen cycle. This nitrogen cycle play very important role on the earth surface. So how this, see the diagram here, through the diagram everything has been explained here. So I would like to explain through the diagram only. So students, here atmospheric nitrogen. You know in the atmosphere 78% of nitrogen exists. How much? 78%. But this nitrogen exists in molecular form, that is N2. Molecular form, that is N2, and it is about 78% in the atmosphere. But the thing is that this nitrogen is required by the plants. But the thing is that plants cannot absorb this nitrogen directly as an element form. So students, this atmospheric nitrogen is converted, is broken by some agents. That agent is nitrogen fixing bacteria, blue-green algae, and lightning. How many factors I have known? 3 factors are there. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, like that rhizobium. Already we have discussed about the rhizobium. Blue-green algae, this also we have discussed in microorganism topic. And lightning. By these 3 sources, by these 3 agents, nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compound such as ammonia, nitrite, nitrate. So this is the nitrogen fixation. Means nitrogen fixing bacteria, blue-green algae, and lightning. These 3 agents, they fix the nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. This process is known as nitrogen fixation. It means, firstly, from the atmosphere, nitrogen is absorbed, nitrogen is taken by these 3 agents, and nitrogen is converted into in the form of ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite. And after this fixation of the nitrogen, they mix into the soil. So from the atmosphere, nitrogen is fixed by these 3 agents, and nitrogen reaches into the soil. So here soil, in the soil, plants and trees grow. So, the plants, the roots of the plants absorb these nitrogen compounds with the help of the roots. So, here absorbed by the plants. Here, this nitrogen compound that is in the soil is absorbed by the plants. Here, this arrow indicates that the compound of the nitrogen from the soil has been absorbed by the plants. Understood? After this, friends, you know that plants are eaten as the food by the animals. Animals eat the plants, and then in the plant nitrogen is in the form of plant protein, in the form of nucleic acid, and that protein will go into the body of the animals. So from here, from the plants, nitrogen in the form of protein has entered into the body of the animals. And one more thing, after reaching in the animal's body, animal change this plant protein into animal protein. And now here one more thing has happened. Some animals which are the carnivores, they consume, they eat the animals. So from animal to animal, again here nitrogen transfer is there, students. Because when an animal eats other animal, then whatever the animal protein is there, that it reaches into the body of the other animals. And now very interesting thing will happen here. Students here, plants will die. Maybe after 2 years, maybe after 10 years, maybe after 20 years, maybe after 50 years. So when the plants, so due to the death of the plant or decaying of the plants, and here animals also has to be die. So when the animals will die and here plants will die, both they will reach along with nitrogen wastage and their excretion. Excretion means here like that urine that also contains a good amount of nitrogen, students. And all these from the animals due to the decaying or death of the animal plants, and due to the death or decaying of the plant animals and their excretion, they will reach again into the soil. And students, in the soil again some special type of denitrifying bacteria are present. They decompose some compounds of nitrogen into nitrogen gas and release into the again atmosphere. So again here it reaches into the atmosphere. Like this, one circle is over. Circulation of the nitrogen from atmosphere and again it has reached into the atmosphere. The process already I have discussed with you. Once again, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere in the molecular form. 78% nitrogen is there, and this nitrogen is fixed by the nitrogen fixing bacteria like the rhizodium, blue green algae and lightning. Due to ammonia, nitrate, nitrite, and all they reach into the soil. From the soil, these compounds are absorbed by the plants for the growth and development of their body. They obtain all these compounds after that from the plants, because plants are eaten up by the herbivores. So all the plant protein reaches into the body of the animals, and some carnivores are eaten up by some herbivores are eaten up by the carnivores. And now here, due to the death and decaying of the plants and death and decaying of the animals and their extraction, that nitrogenous compound will reach into the again soil, and the soil, due to the presence of some denitrifying bacteria, they convert this nitrogen compounds again into nitrogen gas. This is the reverse of nitrogen fixation, students. Denitrification is the just reverse process of the nitrogen fixing, because in nitrogen fixing, nitrogen compounds are broken into nitrate and ammonia, and here these compounds are converted into nitrogen gas in gaseous form. So this is the reverse of nitrogen fixation, and this nitrogen is released by these bacteria again to the atmosphere. Like this, full circulation of nitrogen element through the living things and non-living things, and this cycle is known as the nitrogen cycle. So students, I hope that you understood well. So thank you. Have a nice day.